a cat with flair, chubby cheeks and fluffy hair. Stylish jackets he crafts with pride in the boutique where elegance resides. He's got a knack they all admire. Fashion sets the hearts on fire. With a twirl and a purr, he shows the way, turning sketches into one-way display. Chubby paws, stitching dreams, threads of silk his daily themes. Bow ties bright and dresses sleek, he's the king of Fashion Week. Chubby paws, stitching dreams, threads of silk his daily themes. Bow ties bright and dresses sleek, he's the king of Fashion Week. Couture cat walking down the aisle, models grin with feline style. Patterns loud and colors bold, every garment's